Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samgi Dlamini, but you can call me Sammy D as always. To my returning subscribers, to my day ones, to those who've been here, thank you so much for all the beautiful things that you do for the girl, for liking, for subscribing, for doing all the beautiful things. And to those that are coming across this channel for the very first time, please do subscribe, please do like, please do share this video with your friends, right? So I decided to start this vlog here because I've been home for it's more than a week, right? Yeah, it's more than a week now, and I'm going back to Pretoria tomorrow. And I just decided, okay, you know what? Let me just let me just start this video. I'm with my brother, and we are working together. Hello, my brother. Ishopel. Oh, say hello. Hello, my brother. Why ufuna ukukhuluma isiZulu ngikukhulumisa ngesingisi? Guys, look at my brother. Look how pretty he is. Look at how beautiful my brother is. Oh, look at how handsome. Look at how handsome he is. Unemqondo yimi nomuwe. Unemqondo ayiveli imqondo yakho. Ngitheni? So we are walking on the main road. He is going to Kapakania to buy what? Flyers. I don't know why. Umuntu omdala ongakuthenga ama-fly.
Awekho futhi ke phela la indawo yangakithi yabona phansi ekwazi wathola amali uzathatha.
So that's where we're going. We're coming from my other brother's house. Guys, I've been walking a lot. Since I've been here, I don't have a car, so we're doing a whole lot of walking, and it's been great, man. Coming home is always a great idea, always a good idea. So like I really do enjoy being home, even though I did not like fully enjoy it because I was working, but like it's always a good idea coming home. So yeah. There guys, those are Drakensberg Mountains. Those ones. The Drakensberg Mountains. Mountain. Look at this. This is what we have to deal with every time when a car passes, bruh. Like, imagine.
Later.
Uyahluleka. Inuka kamnandi mama. Usuyayihalela yini? Izoba yikhekhe. Okay, yekela seyise kwanele. Sekwanele. Okay, sesifuna sifake e-tray ke. Leli tray lo li right. Ulisulile fifi. Lisule futhi. Indaba salisulekile nje.
Lipitray.
Leli
Uzokhande futhi.
nokhanda elilodwa. Lawa amanye sowenza-ke abe yilokhuzana. Ebe la. Seku-late phela ingakho isho nje. Ayifune nilale nini?
Because Ngihlala khona ngempela. Imnandi. Kuyitetaba. Imnandi inoshukela. Ayinoshukela yayo nje ifana nemnandi. Mzee. Salsay. Wayenza futhi ngeke salikhande ikeke lazi. So umsukama khona sokhaya.
Hayi wena umncane ukwazi ukwenza.
Uzoyenza ngelinye ilanga masudala, yes? Yes? Uzoyenzela lakho wedwa. Uzolenza elakho wedwa kusasa. Sasa.
Yenza phela njengoba uthe ufuna ukwenza.
Usukusolele ngubeni.
We, uma wakho uzokushaya-ke. Lewa msule masishi angazi sifake enkingeni sixabanise noma ngabe usule lapha. Yeah. Limnandi kake mama. Ungashi. Limnandi keke. Liyashisa nje, liyashisa everywhere. Ningalibambi ngizonitshela mase selikhipha. Limnandi keke mama. Mmese fifi. Ngani? Ungawi ke kodwa. Limnandi mama.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, welcome back to another day in this vlog. So today guys, I'm doing a haul. It's not a try on haul. I got these from Shein. It's winter time and I just got a couple of things for winter, and yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys through this. So I'm just gonna put this to the vlog that was supposed to go last week because I could not, because as you can tell from my voice, I've been battling. And this battle, guys, young I know because it has been for too long, far too long, but anyway, it's fine. So now let's open and see. It's not gonna be a try on, but I'm saying it's just gonna be a haul. So items number one is this cap. I love caps, guys. Like, I really love caps, and I've been neglecting this part of buying myself caps. So I just bought this. I just liked this and I bought it. Hopefully, hey, what? Oh, I thought this is part of the cap. It's integrated into the cap. Okay, I also have a very big head, so let's see how this is going to. Okay. Oh, sun. I love the ribbed thing. It looks untidy and old, what it actually. But also I have braids, guys, so if it's not as much as me, kinda, but yeah. Okay, I don't know what this is. Let's see another items. Okay. Oh, so I bought a lot of track suits for just being indoors. So this is the first one. It's green. You see? Yep, and this is the bottom. I'm not mad, but I don't know. But anyway, they're just for, yeah, changing lights, as you can see. And then this one, what is this? It's another one. Oh yeah, it is another one. Okay, I don't like this one. Yo. Hi guys. Hi. You know, I'm one person that loves quality, and Mina Shem, I don't know if Shein is for me, because, or am I the one maybe who is, hi, okay, I mean, but yo, like, let me tell you, I don't think you can wear this way in a very cold place. If you wear it, you must wear it to something else. Okay, let's move. What is this? What is this? Hang on, no. Where's my phone? Hang on. You'll excuse me, guys, like I'm saying, I have like, firstly, it's this one. You see how brown it is here? I don't know if you can see. See how brown it is? And then this hypo. Anyway, it's fine. I think this is the dress. This is why I'm laughing. You see? I don't know if, I think I'm going to insert it, the picture on this side, and see what I got. Hi. Hoi. No. Okay, what are these? Oh, these are my friend's brushes. I'm not gonna show you this. It's Pro Makeup brush. I'm afraid to open this because I'm gonna be mad if the quality is not giving. I'm going to be mad. Okay. Now this, no, I'm happy about this. This I am happy about. Oh my god, it's so nice. It is so nice. I love the feel. I love everything about it. This I'm not mad. Otherwise, these, this I'm not mad. Honestly, I'm not. What a beautiful jacket. Oh my god, young feet, young nail. Oh my god. You guys are gonna see me when I wear these things. I'm not gonna show you here. But this dress, I'm not happy. And then I bought myself brushes as well and a lipstick. I'm boiling something there. I don't lie to you guys, I'm not mad on other stuff. This is also okay. This, no. But this, definitely not. And to think that I wanted to buy another one, a brown one. And I wanted to buy, like, I wanted to make another order for winter stuff. For other winter stuff. But no ways. There's no way. This dress, Mina Jesus Samge, I can see the other side. I think you guys can see as well. I'm boiling some remedy that I was told by this other guy for coughing. Like, what is this? What material is this? No ways. How much is this dress? Because I mean, it makes sense. It's 161, but no. Hi guys, no. Like, where do you wear this? And how do you wear this? Like, it has a nice material, but I think it's too light. Like, it has a nice material. Like, I love the material. It's nice. But, anyway, that's all guys. That's all guys. But this, I'm happy. This, I'm happy. I'm happy. I am happy. I've been looking for, you know how Zara is expensive? I've been looking for something like this for a while, but abanye bethu asu afford Zara. So Zara is quite expensive. Let me just tell you guys that. Lezi sidlula nayi lezi engazithenga ka I bought joggers kwa what's that, Cotton On, I think. Yeah, they're better quality than this. But anyway, okay, I'm not mad because these are just for, actually I'm also going for a block of classes in the next week or so, sometime this month. So these are gonna come hand in Cape Town, and you know how Cape Town weather can be. So I just want to be ready and make sure that I have like warm stuff, because I really don't have like warm stuff. So these I bought for that reason. But I am not sure yet if then I'll have to have like leggings underneath. It's fine. Okay guys. Hey, but this is nice. This I love. This I can't wait to take out these braids so that I wear my, and also it's summer, so that I wear my caps nicely. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I love caps. I don't know why. Like, I love caps though. Bye guys. Okay, maybe let me just close this vlog here because I've added another piece. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Please don't forget to like. Please don't forget to comment. Please don't forget to share as well so that we grow. The more you share, the more I get suggested on the algorithm, and the more suggested is the more I get more people, you see, and all the stuff. So yeah guys, please do like, please comment, and please share with your friends, your family members, your boyfriends, girlfriends, wives, husbands, and all the beautiful people in your life. Okay, so yeah, bye. I love you all. Until next time.